Hi, I'm Sophia, and welcome back to my mom's channel. And today I'll be her assistant.
Yes, my mini me with me in my channel. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna do something what I promised in my last video, how to do beach wave with a flat iron. Stay with us. We are with Valeria, and I separate the top, and now I'm gonna separate the back of the hair as like this. There you go. Sophia's gonna watch, and then I'm gonna see how she can do it, and that way I can teach you too at home. Okay, so I take a small section, not too big, not too small, something in between, and I go like this. I twist the flat iron one time and go slowly down, and you can leave even the ends outside. You don't have to get it inside so they get straight. Okay, you can do it like this, so it's really soft look, or you can make a little bit tighter. Tight. Go inside, and you can go one more twist, and look, get very curly. Okay, you're gonna keep doing this all over the hair, and then with your hands you just open. I'm gonna show you one more time, and I'm gonna teach you when I show Sophia how to do it. Remember, always the waves go out of the face, okay, away from the face. You're gonna put the flat iron like this, you're gonna twist it, and you're gonna go slow down. I put leave-in conditioner on her hair, that's why it's the smoke coming out. And her ends is still straight, because we want the ends to be straight for the beach waves. Okay? So we have Sophia. She used the right hand. She has to hold one of the hair with her hand. Okay? So what you're gonna do is like this. You're gonna put your hands straight. Let me see. Oh, let me do one from this side. This is the opposite side. So now I'm going out of her face, so I'm going opposite. In the other direction. Look how shiny, and it's gonna help to don't get so much frizz because they close the cuticle, and it's a nice way to do beach waves, okay? So I'm gonna do one more section, and I'm gonna show you with Sophia. We take again one small section, you go like this and you twist it. Okay, so I'm gonna hold Sophia's hands, hold one of the hair, you're going with this. With this hand,
I'm sorry if I bring your hair.
she's okay. We go like this and we twist the hair, twist, and we hold the end with the other hand. And we go slowly down. A little bit more. So this is the situation where it can happen. You see how soft it is? But it's kind of nice. Come on, nice. Okay? So practicing is what makes us better. Okay? So we take another small section. Sophia, you see how I did? Look at my hands one more time. I take the flat iron like this. I twist my hand, hold the other side, and go slowly down. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's take one small section. Okay, hold with the hand, go like this, exactly. And then you twist your hand. You twist, hold it, and then you twist this like this, and you hold the ends from the other side, and you go slowly down. Be careful with your hands. Good, but you have to do a little bit more. So I go back. You take the hair, you twist the hair, and you go slowly down. Okay? Now, because this is gonna go out of her face, we're going opposite. We're gonna go like this. And you're going slow down. These are beach waves. If we wanna do curly, let's see, she wants all curly through the end. we're gonna we do twice time twisting the hair. I'm gonna show you one so you can see it. See if they wanna do with the curls all through the ends, okay? You go up, you twist, and you twist one more time, and you go all inside. And then you leave it, and then the ends are going inside too. Okay? Like this. One more time. And we keep all the ends inside. Get very curly there. Okay? One more time. Wanna do one more time, Sophia? You take the hair, you go like this, and you twist. Okay? Okay. Take your hand, you put the hair inside. Well, this is I show you with her so you can see the mistake what you can have at home. It's better to go straight like this, so it's easier to twist it. Okay? So we're holding this hand, you go like this, close it, twist with the hair, and you put exactly. This is all about practicing, okay? Go slow. Go a little straight because you have to twist a little more. Look. You go there, you twist all, and you go slowly. You want the hair of the ends in front of you, okay? So you go like this, you twist all with change, you switch even hands. And go slowly down. See? I'm gonna do this. This is opposite, okay? Because this is how we're doing. When you go into the other side, and instead to go like this, we go in like this. And we do opposite, we switch side. And we do the same in the other side. We're going opposite. So instead to have my flat iron up, I do it down. So it's easier to switch, to twist. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time. If you want, you can apply hairspray before you do it, so the hair holds better the curls. Okay, you have always, or you can do it when you do every section, or you can do it on the end before you open the hair. Okay, you wanna try one more time?
I'll try.
Okay, come. Remember, the hands go like this, and when you move with two of your hands, so you can have control of the hair and not the hair control you.
You said it's like this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so.
Close, switch. There you go. Exactly. Then there is a situation. Here, Sophie. You have exactly. So you can pull everything down. There you go. Much better. You do like this, you go with the hair on the other side, and you switch with both of your hands so you can have control of your flat iron. You know what is another good tip? Let's see if you have to do it and you have the, look what I do. You see how is this? This is the button to put it on and off. It's gonna be in front of my face. When I twist, that button has to be in front of my face again. So you do full turn. Okay, that is a good tip because you're gonna see how it's gonna be easier to control, to do all the, to move all. I'm gonna show you one more time so you can see it. When you twist the hair, the flat iron, your flat iron is with this in front of your face. You put it in, you twist it, and you do a full turn, so this goes in front of your face again. And you pull everything back. The problem is when you do it, you go this side. You have to be all full turn. And if you turn like this, it's gonna be uncomfortable. You have to help yourself with the other hand, and you have to hold the hair in the flat iron. Okay, let's try one more time with Sophia and see if like that tip can help her. Okay, so you have this on your face, in front of your face. You hold the hair with your hands,
Like this.
You have to twist everything until you have that in front of your face. Exactly, and now you go slowly down. Slowly by slowly all down. Perfect. There you go. She got it. So I hope you got it too at home. So we're gonna keep going with all her hair, and then when we finish, we're gonna open everything with our hands, okay? Well, we did teamwork, we did all her wavies with the flat iron. Sofia has a hairspray right now in her hands. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it just a little bit, not too much, because we want very natural look and we don't wanna put too much hairspray on her hair. So we're gonna do a flat wear, like this on her ends, perfect. And what I recommend is to put a little bit oil on your hands to be sure you don't get frizz on the hair. You can put a little bit of the oil. Do like this with your hands because you don't want to have an extra oil on your hands. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to ask the customer to put her hair back. And you're going to start to open everything with your hands. Like a comb. Using your hands. Start to open everything because you want wavy and you don't want any curls. And now I'm going to show you for the front. If you pull her hair back to the front, and then when you finish, if you want, you can always go with a small piece on the front and get a little bit higher waves if you want, but it looks nice like this. Okay. So I hope you like it, and what do you have to say?
Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified every time she makes a new video. Like, comment, and thank you guys for watching.
Bye!